Hello guys, welcome to video number 23. In this video I am going to share with you what is the difference between free and paid theme. We have learned about what is theme, how we can use theme, and what is the difference between parent theme and child theme. Now in this video I am sharing with you difference between free and paid themes. Like uh, you have seen WordPress offers you a free, gives you a free themes. Okay, here the benefits and the both losses. Benefits only, you will get a ready-made websites. You can later on optimize, you can later on just changes, but limited changes you can do it. And the losses, here you will not get full functionality website, you have to work a lots on that websites. Okay, it takes a time, you need lots of technicality knowledge, coding knowledge, changes knowledge, HTML CSS knowledge. So free only for your learning purpose. If you're planning for like the big level, or you have a corporate client and they are willing to pay you, you don't need to worry about, you can buy a paid themes. I'll be sharing with you where you can buy a paid themes. There are lots of paid themes provider, so you can buy them directly and use in your internal also. Okay, so here the difference between free theme I have shared with you. In paid theme you will get everything about how it works. You can see there you will get hundreds of pages website, tens of different home pages. So where you can buy a paid themes, I'll be sharing with you a link. So through link you can buy WordPress themes, so you will get a lots of discounts. I have entered in my video section, resource section. So go to Theme Forest, one of the best website. Okay, Theme Forest has lots of themes. Okay, 50,725 WordPress theme and ready-made template. You don't need to worry about. Suppose I want to buy I want to use WordPress theme. Here what smart work we can do, we are here only learn for our own website design course. So you don't need to buy anything. Here we can suppose we get the idea how it website works, and later on suppose this is a best selling educational website, Eduma, only $69. How it looks, how it works, just click Edoma. Okay, so same you can use. You just need to buy this theme and you just need to upload in your WordPress theme option. Once install, same homepage you can develop, you can design. I already told you there are thousands or hundreds of created already pages, so I'm sharing with you. Now you can see Edoma homepage 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so all this ready made, you don't need to worry about. LMS plugin, so same you can create with the help of Elementor, this tool. Okay, you don't need to worry about. Same 100% working, same functionality website you can design. So the benefit of this paid tools only, you don't need to work lots of things already created already. They offers you a lots of pages. So hope you guys you learn a lot of things, and you will definitely buy if you need. In this current phase I don't recommend you, but in case you have little bit confidence, you can design a website, you can buy and deliver your project. So that's it for till, and I'll see you in next video. Okay, bye.